Hey guys, this is Jake with GoWesty, and today we are going to be installing our LED cabin light kit for Eurovans. Be sure to disconnect the battery that supplies power to the lights before starting this project. First, we need to attach our LED light to the adapter plate. Run the wires through the hole located in the adapter plate here. Now attach the LED light to the backing plate using the 2 screws and covers included in the kit. Then crimp the provided connectors to the ends of the wires. Now move inside the van to where the light is located and remove the 2 flathead screws holding up the light cover. Next, remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are holding up the original light housing and pull it down to reveal the wiring behind it. Remove the positive and negative wires from the back of the housing and cut them just behind their connectors. If you want to reuse the original Westphalia light cover, you'll need to increase the size of the rectangular opening to access the LED light's power button. Using a thin hacksaw, cut the opening back to where the Westphalia logo is and clean up the edge with a file. Be sure to test fit the cover to make sure you have plenty of room to hit the power button. Strip the wire insulation back 1/4 inch from the ends and crimp each one into the corresponding connectors of the LED light, being sure to connect red to red and black to brown. For added protection, you can heat shrink the butt connectors after crimping, but this is not necessary. Then carefully tuck the wires back into the opening and secure the light using the 2 original Phillips head screws and the finishing washers provided in the kit. And if you don't want to reuse the original lens cover, you can install the adapter plate on its own following the same steps. Reconnect your battery and you're all set to light up your next adventure. Thanks for following along, guys, and we'll see you at the next one.